In this video, I show you how to create a YouTube profile picture.
If this video helps you, please remember to like, subscribe, click the bell notification and leave a comment down below.
Welcome, my name is Joe, and in this video we're going to go over creating a YouTube profile picture. So firstly, what is the profile picture? Well, it's this little icon down here, and the relevance of this is that it's going to show up in all of your comments and in various places around Google as well. So people are going to see this probably more than they're going to see the banner unless they're visiting your page. So this is only on your page, but this will be scattered around all the different places on YouTube and Google as well. So it's important to have a nice crisp clear image here, and the best size to have here is 800 by 800 pixels. Now this can also be called a channel icon, so if you hear that scattered around, then when you hover over it, it says edit profile picture, but that is also your channel icon. So to create your icon, you're going to need a photo editing package. We used GIMP in the previous video to show and to install the channel art, so I'm going to do the same again here. So I'm going to select a new file and then change this to 800 by 800 and click OK. Now I've already got an image lined up for my icon, so I'm not going to waste too much time on explaining how I could or couldn't do things. If you are interested in a GIMP tutorial, then have a look in the top right corner now or in the description below, and I'll link my playlist for you. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to quickly just import a preloaded image into this grid. So that's fairly simple, but that's what we're going to use for this video. And generally speaking, it's actually quite a good idea to imagine there's a circle here, because it's actually going to cut off. If you look, if I flick back to the picture quickly, it's a circle picture. So you are going to lose the corners of here. So don't put anything too important in the very corners. And that's also the reason why I haven't increased the size of this anymore, just so it doesn't cut any bits off. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and then I'm going to save it as a JPEG as well, so we can upload it to Google in a second, to YouTube. So that's exported. Let's close that down and come back over to your profile picture. If you hover over and you're logged in, make sure you're logged in, then you will see the little icon. Now you can edit your picture here. Just click edit. It's going to take you to Google's homepage. You can see where we've previously uploaded the banner, and now I'm going to click upload photo, and then just navigate to the place where you had your other icon, profile icon. That's going to take a few seconds, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to crop it or do you want to resize it? I deliberately want to keep mine full size. 800 by 800 is what we made it, and then click the done up here. That's going to take a few seconds, and then you'll instantly see it in the center of the screen. If you're logged in, and you should still be logged in, then it won't change up there for a little while. You might have to wait up to about 24 hours for it to actually sync through. So if you don't see it instantly, don't worry about that. So I'm going to head back to YouTube quickly and go back to your channel. And now, as you can see, it's uploaded now. So I've got my little icon here, got my banner, and now if you look in the top right corner as well, you've also got the icon showing and displaying correctly. Remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.